this video we are going to replace this on a battery. This one is actually the 8X. The battery actually works in multiple phones. The battery is swollen. Let's turn the phone on. The battery is actually swollen, and in this case it popped the back off. So if you look, you can see that this is our fingerprint sensor there, and we don't necessarily need to heat it off, but in your case, if yours still on, the battery is swollen, you will need to heat it off. The battery is still working, so I am going to remove the ribbon for the fingerprint sensor here. It's actually there, so we're going to remove it. And this is to prevent damage. As I'm saying, guys, this metal piece is actually stuck. It is stuck on here and also here, so we are not going to rip it off, because if we do, we won't be able to get this back on the way it should unless we stick this. So we can try removing the battery from here. Actually, we slip the ribbon out and we can try removing the battery. The only problem I have, the battery is at 95%. So if it happens that you punch the battery or anything, you can create fire, you can create smoke. It's a very, very risky job. You're not supposed to tamper with these batteries. If there were no charge in this battery, I could have used this tool as well. This will help me to speed things up, but it will help me create damage also. So we are removing it slowly. We are making some progress there. So we still need to loosen up things here. We are almost out of the woods. So I'm actually seeing the adhesive. So that's what you want to do. We successfully removed the battery without any damage whatsoever. So we are going to put in the new battery, and we are going to slip in the connector for the battery there. This will be the thing. We just need to align it, just because we can't see underneath of it. We just need to align. And once that is in, we need to put in the one for the sensor here, and then we are actually finished. So this is what we're going to do to speed things up. We are going to take this ribbon apart just to speed things up. We'll be able to get this ribbon in more easier. So the ribbon for the fingerprint sensor is in, and also the battery is in as well. So what we're going to do here, we are going to put back in the screws. which is this way. We are going to slide this in. So we are basically finished. All we have to do is just use some adhesive around the edges and stick the back of the phone. So what we're going to do now, as this should stick properly with the new battery in place. So this should stick properly. So we are going to test to see, to make sure that the battery is working. So this new battery, the percentage is at 64%, and we are going to turn the phone off, use adhesive to stick the back of the phone. So definitely we are finished. Do like, share and subscribe.